Bono nigo abamenye kurwa se county eyo anene kurwa ase sub county ya Kisii Central banyara ko bako ene kianga beso kiria sobongeli ko enane birengereri byabo anene gochia ase ekerengereri okeria anene kerengete ogonjolira gwekengese kiri chiko ekyo kerengete enibo yense okwana ase omochi obosongo nigo abamenye banyara ko bako bwatoka ebirengereri byabo ase bate birebono nigo eserikali boneta ko bekora monjolira anene silichiko lirengete enibo yense omonyego yirigo nyara ko bagokorawa no mo county commissioner bwa county ya Kisii Tom Manjere musaki oito korwa ase county ya Kisii ndemo civic na nyara ko bagokirana aso omonyego yo.
So we are having a national task force on public finance management which has come to Gusii, and this is part of a national exercise that is geared towards gathering views from wananchi on the two aspects that the team will talk about. We are excited as a county that the government is aggressively involving members of the public in decision making.
Abuanga tia bwata ni kurwa sense mweke ganchagiense au batu alebikaro byoko ire birengererio asamangana alengete amakabeso yense.
Maoni from the National Treasury, Director of Planning in the Public Debt Management Office. So our coming here today is that we are doing public participation, which is a constitutional requirement whenever you want to either come up with new laws or policies, or when you are amending sections of the policies or acts which have already been passed. So today's activity is to amend the Public Finance Management Act and its attendant regulations.
We are convinced that with this kind of an approach, it's going to go a long way in inspiring our economy. The proposal to anchor the public debt on the GDP is a welcome move, and we support it as a county. The issue of definition of county debt and the national debt is also something that call for amendment so that we are able to align it to our constitution as per the constitution 2010.
Aba bwata ni kurwe county ya Kisii mbaru ireyo gusiremero belivuneye ekuraune serikali yanene.
We are here to fully participate and ensure that the county government, which is a beneficiary of these amendments, which will be a beneficiary of these amendments, agrees with the proposals from National Treasury and what they're doing in terms of public participation, because you realize these regulations affect both the county government and national government. So on behalf of the governor, we're here to say that we support this initiative, especially when they're looking at GDP against the national debt, unlike in the past when we've gone with figures.
In 3, 2, 1, action.
Wetera somo ya golero ni gaba bisa korwa sense moye kigancheke negiense kia National Treasury bakobwatera namo nababwata ni korwa sense moya county government batu ari ebikaro bebene asaba kwana ire amangana arengete enibo yense ase serikali ya county ya Kisii rude ira wananya rekubwatisya amaunchira yaregerere bunense menene ya serikali yense ya Kenya. Koripoteria Ndizi TV korwa sense moya culture hole kutoka sense moya Kisii tuletariane Ndemo Steven.